Getting me to change my attitude about algebra was probably the #1 obstacle. Hated it, hated it, hated it.
The concepts and the process of math, my brain couldn't wrap around it.
I'd taken my math class, Math 110, probably 6 times before I took Jake's class. After that, I got a lot more confidence, and I passed it with a B. I never thought that was possible before.
Well, it's exactly what you do, you multiply. But because there's a minus or plus, we just collect our terms. So m cubed and a negative m cubed are going to go away, for example.
Okay.
All we have to do is collect our terms all the way across.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
This class changes the success rate of students by helping them to implement strategies that are proven to be successful.
It's a course to teach you how to succeed at another course.
The most common comment is, again, for the ones that are struggling or that I'm successful in other courses, it's just not math that I'm successful in. So what can I do? So the Math Study Strategies course allows them to then learn the skills that are necessary or that are different as far as different study strategies than you would learn in other courses.
First of all, what they'll start off with is that ways to explain why we have the issues that we have, some of us with the math, the test anxiety, the math anxiety, or just difficulty comprehending this when it's that new of a concept for some of us.
It is a 1-hour class that meets 2 hours a week, so we have 50 minutes twice. In the 50 minutes, the first 25 minutes we talk about strategies that you can use in every math class, the note-taking, the various things that we do together as a group. The other 25 minutes, the instructor and the math tutor actually tutor the student in their math class.
I just really think it's useful because of the one-on-one help and being able to do your homework, really.
What numbers outside of those parentheses?
1.
Negative one.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
That's what I was saying. Thanks.
And a lot of people just need that little snippet, you know, that one little piece that was missing that you can't get in the lecture environment.
Because we all learn differently, we communicate differently. Some of us are a little more talkative than others. Some of us are more laid-back thinkers. But you learn whether you're a visual learner, whether it's audible. In my case, I'm a hands-on person.
This gives them a chance to be proactive. They know they have a weakness or they feel like they have a weakness in math. This gives them an opportunity to be proactive and taking control of their future in math. I can learn these math strategy skills that I may not have thought about before or done, and then once you have them, the real benefit of this is it applies to other courses as well.
I have the tools in which to get something from working memory into long-term memory, in which I didn't know how to do that before.
What we're trying to help them is to realize how their teacher teaches, how to connect their learning style to their teacher's teaching style, and various different ways that they can help themselves have a better chance at what they're doing.
I was talking myself down before, but after taking this class, you know, Jacob taught me how your mindset can change a lot. So I changed my mindset. I told myself I could do it, and I did it.
If it hadn't been for this course, I probably would have settled for less than mediocrity, or I would have simply just given up altogether and dropped out, as I did before in life.
They do focus on what you struggle in. They will help you through each process, one-on-one or in a group, either way, whichever you're comfortable. And you also get time to do your homework.
Seeing the little light go off in my head, I think, at some point, a couple of weeks or so ago, all of a sudden, this block that I had kind of within me kind of moved away some, and I felt like I could go forward.
For Math Study Strategies, please contact Jacob Llewellyn in the Speckman Tutoring and Learning Center at 447-8166.